Simmang's path to mindful wellness leadership. Stephen Simmang didn't grow up planning to lead a wellness company. His first steps were in the insurance world, building health plans and working with large organizations. But over time, he realized something was missing. "I was helping people get access to care," he says, "but I wanted to help them avoid needing it in the first place." That shift in thinking led Stephen away from traditional systems and toward a new path, one built around functional health, emotional resilience, and mindfulness. Stephen began his career working in the supplemental health insurance world. He partnered with companies like Gallagher to design wellness programs for employers and members. His job focused on helping businesses build better wellness plans. But even as those plans grew more advanced, Stephen noticed a gap. "Working in the supplemental health insurance world, I saw a clear limitation," he explains. "Most plans focused on reactive care, and the wellness add-ons felt surface level. If I wanted to offer real solutions, I had to go beyond that system." That realization pushed him to step outside that world and build something rooted in true preventative care. In 2018, Stephen left the insurance field to launch his own business. It was a big change. Walking away from something steady was hard. He says, "There's fear that comes with that, but I knew I had to build something more aligned with my values." He started a company called Prioritize Wellness. Its mission was to help people focus on long-term health before problems became urgent. In 2022, Stephen co-founded Kale Diagnostics. The company focused on functional health. It used lab testing, data, and personalized care to support people's health in a deeper way. Stephen served as co-CEO and helped grow the business from the ground up. But the early days came with challenges. "We underestimated how fast the company would grow," he says. "That forced us to move quickly, to fix systems, hire fast, and build stronger teams." Rather than panic, Stephen saw it as a lesson. "We didn't treat the stress like failure," he says. "We used it to grow." At Kale, Stephen helped shift the focus from treating illness to preventing it by getting to the root of health issues, not just symptoms. After helping build Kale Diagnostics, Stephen took a step back from daily operations. He began to focus more on emotional wellness and stress regulation. This shift wasn't sudden. It was something he'd been exploring for years. "I've been drawn to mindfulness for a while," he says. "Meditation, journaling, breathwork. They helped me slow down and get clear." Stephen saw how these practices helped in his own life. Now he wanted to make them easier for others to access. Today, Stephen is working on a new mobile app focused on mental health. It's built to help people regulate stress and strengthen their emotional health through daily routines and nervous system support. "It's not about escaping stress," he explains. "It's about learning to respond to it in a healthier way." Though the app is still in development, Stephen has already built a website to share updates and ideas at stephensimmang.com. Stephen's approach to leadership and wellness is shaped by a few core values: clarity, reflection, and connection. "When I'm overwhelmed, I get quiet," he says. "I step back, breathe, and remind myself why I'm doing this." He plans by starting with the big picture and working backwards. "I ask myself, what really matters long term? Then I build from there," he says. "That helps me stay focused, even when things change." Outside of work, Stephen values time with family and close friends. "They're my foundation," he says. "They help me stay grounded no matter what's going on professionally." He believes health isn't just about the body, but also about presence, connection, and peace of mind. "Success to me is alignment," he explains. "It's not just what I accomplish. It's whether I can stand by it feel good about it, and stay present along the way. Stephen Simmang is still writing the next chapter of his story. His mindfulness app is underway. His focus on emotional health continues to grow, but his core goal remains the same: helping people feel better physically, mentally, and emotionally. I'm still learning, he says, but I know this: when we slow down and stay honest, the right next step always shows up. For those watching the wellness space, Stephen Simmang is a name to follow, rooted in experience, guided by values, and building something designed to last.